Economic importance of bacteria. Harmful bacteria. Number one, human diseases. Tuberculosis, that is TB, is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria. Leprosy is caused by Mycobacterium leprae bacteria. Tetanus is caused by Clostridium tetani bacteria. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi bacteria. Cholera is caused by Vibrio cholerae bacteria. Economic importance of bacteria. Harmful bacteria. Number two, animal diseases. Black leg is caused by Clostridium chowboi bacteria. Anthrax is caused by Bacillus anthracis bacteria. Number three, plant diseases. Citrus canker is caused by Xanthomonas citri bacteria. Black rot of crucifers is caused by Xanthomonas campestris bacteria. Economic importance of bacteria. Harmful bacteria. Plant diseases. Crown gall disease in many plants is caused by Agrobacterium tumefaciens bacteria. Bacterial leaf blight disease of rice is caused by Xanthomonas oryzae bacteria. Soft rot disease of potato is caused by Irvinia Caratobora atroseptia bacteria. Bacteria that cause diseases in plants are mostly gram-negative bacteria and non-spore forming bacteria. Economic importance of bacteria. Harmful bacteria. Number four, food poisoning. Botulism caused by Clostridium botulinum bacteria is most lethal type of food poisoning. These bacteria multiply in canned food, survive in absence of oxygen. Toxins released by these bacteria damage parasympathetic nervous system, leading to paralysis of both smooth and striped muscles, results in immediate death. Economic importance of bacteria. Harmful bacteria. Number five, denitrifying bacteria. Thiobacillus denitrificans and Pseudomonas denitrificans convert soil nitrates into nitrites and later into nitrogen, which escape in the atmosphere, process called as denitrification. Denitrification results in reduction of soil fertility. Number six, water pollution. Bacteria like Vibrio cholerae and Salmonella typhi cause water pollution and spoil the water. Economic importance of bacteria. Harmful bacteria. Number seven, some bacteria are used as biological weapons. For example, anthrax causing bacteria, botulism causing bacteria, and cholera causing bacteria, etc. Useful bacteria. Bacteria like Bacillus vulgaris and Bacillus ramosus convert proteins present in decaying plants and animals into ammonia, process called as ammonification. These bacteria are known as ammonifying bacteria. Economic importance of bacteria. Useful bacteria. Nitrifying bacteria convert ammonia into nitrite and later in nitrate, process called as nitrification. For example, Nitrosomonas, Nitrococcus, Nitrobacter and Nitrocystis. Ammonia converted into nitrite by Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus, nitrite converted into nitrate by Nitrobacter and Nitrocystis. Economic importance of bacteria. Useful bacteria. nitrogen fixation and nitrogen fixing bacteria. Nitrogen fixing bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia with the help of nitrogenase enzyme, process called as nitrogen fixation. Symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria. Rhizobium, root nodules of legumes. Azorhizobium, stem nodules of Sesbania. Azospirillum, root surface of cereals like rice, wheat, maize. Frankia, root nodules of non-legume plants like Casuarina, ulmus, etc. Xanthomonas bacteria, etc. Economic importance of bacteria. Useful bacteria. Free living nitrogen fixing bacteria. Azotobacter, Klebsiella, Bergerincia, Clostridium, Chromatium, Rhodospirillum, Rhodopseudomonas, Rhodomicrobium, etc. Azotobacter and Bergerincia are aerobic bacteria, whereas Rhodospirillum and Clostridium are anaerobic bacteria. Rhizobium and Frankia are free-living bacteria, but they perform nitrogen fixation as symbionts with association of plants. Economic importance of bacteria. Useful bacteria. Few bacteria are useful in dairy products called as lactic acid bacteria, LAB. For example, Streptococcus lactis, Lactobacillus lactis. LAB are useful in curd, cheese and yogurt production by fermentation of milk. Lactobacillus lactis, that is LAB, increases vitamin B12 in curd and also check growth of disease causing microbes in stomach. Economic importance of bacteria. Useful bacteria. Antibiotics production. Streptomycin is obtained from Streptomyces griseus, a member of Actinomycetes. Streptomycin is first discovered antibiotic in bacteria. Bacitracin is obtained from Bacillus licheniformis. Subtilin is obtained from Bacillus subtilis. Antibiotic is substance that is produced by certain microorganisms to inhibit the growth of other microorganisms. Term antibiotic is given by scientist Waxman. Economic importance of bacteria. Useful bacteria. Industrial uses. Acetobacter aceti is used in vinegar production from ethanol. Clostridium perfringens, Pseudomonas fluorescens and butyric acid bacteria are used in retting of fibers, that is separation of plant fibers. Flavoring and curing of tea leaves to increase taste. Micrococcus candidans is used, and for processing of tobacco leaves, Bacillus megatherium is used. Economic importance of bacteria. Useful bacteria. Vitamin production. Clostridium butylicum produces riboflavin, that is vitamin B2 and butyric acid. Propionibacterium and Bacillus megatherium produce vitamin B12. E. coli bacteria produces vitamin E and vitamin K. E. coli found in alimentary canal of human beings. E. coli bacteria is also known as pollution indicating bacteria. They grow in polluted water. More the number of E. coli bacteria in water, water is highly polluted. Economic importance of bacteria. Useful bacteria. Delovibrio bacteriovorus bacteria found in Ganga water kill other water polluting bacteria. E. coli and Agrobacterium are used in genetic engineering. Both are gram-negative bacteria. Economic importance of cyanobacteria. Being most ancient organisms having oxygenic photosynthesis, they support aerobic organisms by releasing oxygen. They increase soil fertility, particularly nitrogen content. Tolipothrix and Olocera fix nitrogen non-symbiotically in rice field. Nostoc and Enobina used in reclaiming ooser soil. They decrease alkalinity of soil by releasing acidic chemicals. Economic importance of cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria perform nitrogen fixation symbiotically also by associating almost with every group of plants. Spirulina is edible, non-toxic cyanobacteria used as source of food. Spirulina acts as source of protein-rich animal food, single cell protein (SCP). Limbia is used in extracting antibiotics. Economic importance of cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria like Microcystis, Enobena, etc. cause algal bloom in water body. Toxins released in surroundings are harmful for aquatic animals and also prevent growth of mosquito larvae in water. Oscillatoria that grow in water tank pollute the water and also damage the water tank.